Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to perform CURD operation on my student table of college database using Go. So what are the steps I will explain? I have already written the code and I will explain. So first we need to add the MySQL dependency, so that we will add in go.mod file. So require github.com go SQL driver MySQL and version 1.5.0. Now I have written the program mysql.go package main import database SQL format, and we are going to import the package MySQL package which we have downloaded github.com go SQL driver MySQL. We are not going to use this MySQL, it is going to internally use, so we are taking with underscore. That Go compiler will not give any error. Now we have created a structure to store the data of my student table. So if you will see the structure ID, name and address. So we have created the student structure, roll number, name and address. We can keep this ID also, no problem. So ID, name and address. We have written the function main, and first we are going to run the select query. So we have called the run select function. If we will go within the run select function, first we are taking the DB connection, then we are closing the connection after select query using differ function. We are using db dot query select star from my student. This is the SQL syntax. It is returning, if you will see, it is returning the cell db cursor. Now we are creating the slice of student structure, and we are running the for loop for seldb.next. We are taking roll number, which we can do the ID, which is integer type, where name, address, which is also string type, and we are scanning the CellDB value to each variable. So ampersand ID, name and address. So it will keep the value of first row ID, name and address. Then we are creating the structure student ID, name and address. So this is the student structure, and we are appending this to the slice. Once loop is finished, all record has been added in slice. Now we are printing the slice using for loop range form. So we are not printing the index, we are just printing the value. The first function we have called the get connection. So what get connection is doing, it is giving the MySQL connections, which is type of SQL.db pointer. So we are taking the DB driver MySQL, DB username root, database username, DB password root, database password, and DB name is college. You will see this is the DB name, and we are using my student table. So SQL.open, we are giving this parameter DB driver, DB username, colon DB password @ DB name. So it will give the DB or error. If error is nil, not nil, then we are basically calling panning function, which I will explain in next tutorial. Otherwise I am returning the DB. DB is basically MySQL DB pointer type. So I think you are understanding the code very well. Let me run the code. So it is printing one Ravi Mumbai. If we will see the data of this table, one Ravi Mumbai, means code is running perfectly fine. Let me make few change. So we are going to run the insert query. So for running insert query, I will explain the code. We are taking the connection same way as we are previously taking. We are closing the connection using differ function. We are using db.prepare, which will give the statement. So insert into table name my student, field name, name and address. Because id is auto generated, we are giving the value, to value with question mark, which we are going to provide at runtime. So if we are doing like this, it will prevent from the SQL injection. So we are executing the statement stmt.execute, and we are passing those two value, Mukesh and USA. So it will insert this Mukesh and USA in table. After that, select will run and it will print Mukesh and USA also in the result. So let me run the code. Now we are going to run the insert query. So we have uncommented the run insert. Let me explain the code of run insert. So we are taking the get db connection using get connection method, and defer db close, which will close the database connection after the operation. We are using db prepare, which will return the statement insert into table name. We are giving the column name, name and address. We are not taking id because it is auto generated, and value. Question mark we are giving because we are provide this value runtime, which will prevent from the SQL injection. If error not nil, then we are raising panic, else we are executing the statement. So statement.execute will run the query, and we are providing those two values. So suppose this value is Mukesh I have already inserted. So let me give this Mahesh and Canada. So it will insert the value Mahesh Canada in database, and after that we are running the select query, so it will print this value also. So let us check the database. So this is our database. Let me refresh the database. So we have two value. Third value will come from our insert query, and after that it will be printed in the select. So let me run the code. So if you will see, one Ravi Mumbai, two Mukesh USA, and third Mahesh Canada. And let us refresh the database. So if you will refresh the database, 3 Mahesh Canada is also coming. So our code is running perfectly fine. Same way we can run update query also. So for running the update query, I have commented the insert query code, update my student, set name, address and roll number. We are not using roll number, so I will give here ID field, and for executing this, just what I am going to change. Suppose I want to change the ID 3. So Mahesh I want to do Mahesh 11, and Canada I want to do Australia. So Mahesh I want to do Mangesh, and Canada Australia, and ID is 3. So it will update the ID 3, and after that we are running select, so we will get the updated record. If we want to run select query with condition, so we can run like this: select star from my student, where roll number equal to, we can give question mark and we can pass that value. So question mark will prevent from the SQL injection. So let me run first this one, update query. After that we will run that query. So go run wake.com hello. So it will update the third value, Mangesh and Australia, and if you will see here, Mahesh Canada, and if I will refresh, it will be Mangesh Australia, and we are getting updated value in select query. Now I am commenting this, and we are going to select only specific records. So suppose I want to select record with ID 2. So select star from my student, where ID equal to question mark, and I am passing 2. So it will select the record with ID 2. That is a Mukesh and USA. So let me run the code. So it is giving 2 Mukesh USA, which is a perfectly fine. Now, if you are facing any kind of problem in MySQL server installation, you can write in comment section. I will create a separate video. If you are facing any problem in Heidi's SQL installation, you can write that also in comment section. I will create a separate video. Now, one more thing we need to know: when I am adding the dependency of MySQL here, it will be download in GoPath pkg folder. So if you will go C user Vivek go pkg modules, here is github.com. Here you will go SQL driver MySQL 1.5.0. so whatever dependency we will add here, either Logros, MySQL, those will be downloaded here in pkg folder. So we can find from here. So all the module within the github.com, all the module are here. So if you will go for Logros is here. I hope you have understood all the concept related to MySQL. If you have,
Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.